Hey guys, in this video I'll be unboxing the Vintage 19 trimmer. Got this from the Jumia online store. It comes with a clipper that has a stainless steel plate. I really love the design on the handle. This is a USB clipper, so it came with this small cord, although I don't think I'll be using this. It also came with these 3 combs to attach to the clipper, a cleaning brush and oil. Of course I had to plug it with a longer cord because the one that came with it was very short. I haven't used a clipper or trimmer before, so I'm really excited to see how it goes. I'm done shaving and honestly the trimmer works pretty well considering I got it for a little above 3k on Jumia. What I always do after shaving or bathing is to wash my face. I just went to wet my face. I'm about to use a clay mask. I prefer to apply the clay mask on wet skin. My fan is on because of the heat, so I'm just going to be applying it with this applicator brush so it doesn't get everywhere. I mainly apply this mask to the acne prone area of my face. I use it about 2 to 3 times a week. I'm putting my neck just so I don't have bumps. It helps with those barbing bumps. I don't know what was the names, but those beard bumps. Sorry, I have to keep this fan on because the heat is terrible. When we're dancing the night, round, 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 so long goes down, 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 down. Look at this us to go round, 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 round. After rinsing off the clay mask, I'll be going in with this hydrating toner from AC Naturals just to give my skin a bit of hydration since I just exfoliated. I love this product because it's very lightweight and absorbs into my skin easily. Next, I'll be using this Beta Repair face cream. I use this as a moisturizer for my face. Guys, skincare does not stop at washing your face. Moisturizer really helps to add moisture back to your skin after washing off. The last but not the least is the sunscreen. It's a total waste of time to do skincare without applying sunscreen. This really helps protect your skin from the harmful rays of the sun. This is a mineral sunscreen, so I'll be taking my time to massage it properly into my skin. I really encourage you guys to exfoliate after shaving, especially if you are someone that suffers with razor bumps and ingrown hairs. This will really help to manage it. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Do well to leave a like down below, and if you are new to this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notifications so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you in my other videos.